Okay, there's been some questions about the peanut starter kit, and really I am just doing this because I want to share my experience. I want to do something fun for kids. They always love getting things in the mail and putting things together. So in your box, which by the way, I'm using recycled boxes and anything that I can, the child or whoever will get a thank you, and these are just some of the cards that I have. So I want to make it fun for them. I want them to know that they supported, my homestead, the goats, the chickens, the rabbits, and, let them know that this is them doing something for me as well as them getting something. I think that's important. Also, there'll be a page protector in there with 1 page of information about peanuts and, fun facts for them, and then 1 page of instructions that will have pictures to help guide them on, what does it look like, what's the life cycle, different things. So that'll be in there as well, so they can start a binder. You will get, this is an example of a baggie of fertilizer, and that'll be from, the goats, the rabbits, whatever. And then these will be the peanuts, and they have to be packed very, very carefully so they don't get squished, broken, and so forth. So they will come probably in Amazon bubble wrap because I have plenty of it. You will also get a grow bag. You can start them in here and transplant them. This is a 1 gallon. Or you can leave them in here and just get a smaller crop. That's up to you guys. There will be 4 in each one of these packets. And then I'm also putting in a dripper. Now, these things are really cool. If you use them right, you put a pop bottle. It has to be a good brand water bottle or a regular pop bottle. And you fill it with water. You screw it on like this, and then you turn it upside down, and you just use this thing here for it to drip out of this hole. This big green piece goes in the dirt, and that's a dripper. I thought that would be really cool. The kids could learn a little bit about, some of the gardening tools and what have you. I'm also going to put a plastic spoon in for them to stir their dirt, just because I think it's cool. Just some extra things. But I plan on doing 1 of these a month, and I would love to have some homeschoolers participate. So any questions, let me know.